What's good, guys? How you all doing? Yeah, so today I want to show you guys my trading station, like my space where I do all my thing and even record this video. The things on my table is not much, and they are like relatively cheap. And most of these things now, like my laptop, I've gotten my laptop before I even started trading for it. So this is the HP Spectra fully with a brown leather or something like that. I got this around $1,000 or so. Yeah, but that was in 2020. The most important thing of this table that I got because of trading is this monitor, and I got it in last year, 2023, around February last year. So I got it for almost 120k. I know you can't get it for this price again. And I use this USB 3.1 adapter to connect my laptop to my monitor. I have two though. Like this second one, I use it to connect my phone to my laptop whenever I want to transfer any file. So I use this one to connect my phone to my laptop, and I use this one to connect my monitor to my laptop. And the next important thing in this station now is this table. The table which I got for about 30k or 31,000. This was last year, so I think I got majority of this thing around early last year. I got this one for like 30,999. And the table is very portable. It also has like a little bookshelf here, although I have not started reading, but hopefully I will start reading very soon. Yeah, and the next is this board here. I get someone money to help me do it. And this board now, I can't remember how much I give the guy, maybe like 15k or so. And these were the file I got from my first mentorship. I find in the mentorship page on YouTube. Yeah, they are on YouTube. I think they are widespread. In 2022, around March, I paid for their mentorship, which is about I can't really remember, but it's about like $250 or so. So that's where I got all these that patterns from. I just print it out there and paste it there. Not that I use it every time, but I just like the way I just put it there. So that's what that is all about. But this one here are the most important one, because I journal like what I'm thinking at the moment. I just write it down in it so I won't forget. And for this, I got this sticky note. For that one. And I also have a pin also that I use for that one. This is about, I don't really know the price of this one, but they are not really cost like that. My backdrop here is what I got when I wanted to start YouTube. This was about 3 months ago or so. I got the two for 10,000 naira, which I think is cheap. Yeah. So I know these are not necessary. I just like, there's just something about this write-up that motivates me a lot. That's why I got this. It just keep telling me to keep going and trust the process. So anytime I see this quote, it always keeps me motivated. So that's why I just put it there. And then okay, I have a PS4. Although I don't really play games these days because I have a lot to do, and I'm still trying to like perfect my trading and all that. Maybe very soon I'll be dropping game content on my YouTube also. Maybe, I don't know. And I have this hard drive. Although this hard drive are from my past laptops, like the system that I've run in the past. Like when I want to like sell it or give it out, I'll just remove the hard drive and put it in a case like this, and they have been really helpful for me to save my file and all that. And my chair, although I've padded it with a lot of things, because at a point in time the back started aching, so I started feeling uncomfortable. So I decided to wrap it with cloth and some other things. And I also put this pillow, although this pillow is a gift from someone. They even put my picture on it. So I put the pillow here for more comfortability, so I can feel more comfort. And this chair, I don't know. I think I got this chair a long time ago, so around, let's say, 2021 or 2020 or so. I'm not sure. I got it with this. No, I got this table also from Jumia, but this table has a very bad chair, and the chair is for like baby also. So that's why I bought this chair then. So for now, this table I just use it to like, I just dump things that I'm not using at the moment, like things that I don't want to put on my table here. I just put it on this table. And you can see I have my keyboard here. I don't really use that keyboard again because this table is too small. I have my keyboard here and my pad. If I wanted to use it, I just pick it from there, and some other stuff that I just drop there. I have a wire socket with an extension that supply me light to my table here, and this way I plug all my accessories. I think basically that's all that I have to show you. Although I have a TV over there that I used to play games, I want to use, like if I feel like playing games. But the most important one here is my phone and my lighting. So this light now, I got it on Jumia also for like 5k or so. I'm not really sure about the price. And this was just like 2 months ago or so. So I need it for more lighting while I'm recording. And as you can see that it's not that long, I just have to put it on something. So there will be more lightning in my video and all that. And my tripod also, I got it for about 11,000 naira. So I'm not really sure about the price. Like I don't really put all this price on my head. And if I want to like use the tripod on the ground, I just have to like use rubber to tie the light to my phone so I can get more light. And that's how I've been recording my video. And my phone is just an Android phone. It's say who are we? Why 9 phones? I think the phone is a 2019 phone. Yeah, 2019 phone. Like I bought it also last year, because that last year around that February and March that I bought all this stuff. I have to like sell all my Apple device, like my iPhone, my iWatches, my HomePod, everything. I have a lot of Apple devices, so I just have to sell everything so I can invest it on my trading. But guess what? I still blow everything. I blow it out. And since then, we still keep pushing. So that's that about that. But my main goal now for this year, so I can really focus on next year, is to like get more lightning here and get an iPhone so I can record a good video, proper video. That maybe, and I'll be getting a better mic also, because this mic, I don't know, I'm just managing it. And I might also get a laptop stand, just stuff like that. So, and more so for the lighting, the light in my room has been helpful. Yeah, the light in my room also contributed to the lighting. So I don't use any sunlight, I don't use anything. I just use this light and my phone, which is Android. I think I also got this. I got this for less than 80k. I got the phone for less than 80k. So yeah, I guess that's all for today. And if you like content like this, kindly hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and also drop a comment below so others can get to see my video. And thanks, peace. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.